Yo guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to be replacing the battery on the Skoda's key, or Skoda Octavia. So let's get into it. First, you'll need a flathead screwdriver because you need something flat to pop it open. It doesn't have to be a screwdriver, but it can be anything that's flat. So first of all, let's start. So first we're going to use the big one, then we'll need the small one. Okay, let's start. So we're going to need the big one. Okay, go on this side. So where the Skoda logo is, you put the screwdriver underneath there, like right there, and then pop it open like that. So, see, that's the cover. Then you've got your battery. So that's the battery. Yeah, so now you'll need the small one to pop the battery out. There you go, so pop that out. There's the battery. It's 2025, so that's the battery you need. Make sure you use the right one, because otherwise it won't work. Okay, so let's get a new battery. Okay, I've got a new one. So to pop it back in, put it in the corner first, push it in, then it's flat like that. Then you grab your cover and then put it back on right. Obviously it's quite simple. There you go. So that's how you do it. Pretty easy. So yeah, all you need is a 2025 battery, something flat to pop it open, and there you go. And let's double check it's working. Yeah. How to tell it's low battery is when you put it in the ignition, it comes up as low battery on the dash. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial as well. So I'll see you in the next one.